Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I was playing around with the blend tool today and I kind of discovered something. I always use the blend docker. I never use the tool over here, but there's a difference. So I'm just going to blend those 10 times. I'm going to go to new path. I'm going to put it on the path and I'm going to blend them along full path. And then I'm going to start adding numbers. Nothing changes. So to do that, I have to hit apply to see the new number. Well, if you use the blend docker, I don't know what would make the difference, but what happens when I do 11 or 12? You actually can see it in real time, what's going on. Now, we also should rotate those items so they're all going the same direction. But you can just keep adding blends with this where you see it's reading the same thing, but I cannot add to it with this until I hit apply. And it kind of, well, if that's too many, then you have to back up. Well, if you do it with this, you can just go till you like it, and then you could back up a few steps and take some away. That's pretty cool. And then, of course, I would select it all, go up to Object, break the blend apart. Now, you're still going to have some groups of blend that are in the middle, all but the last two are in a group. So I'm going to go to Effects and Group and ungroup them. You don't really have to do that. But then I can make them all green, take away the outline, and make this black, and just nudge it back over. Well, I did a very bad thing as I did not nudge, I moved it out of the way. And then you could set your nudge factor on something pretty little like 0.01, and you could nudge it back kind of where it needs to be. Just because you can't do that with your mouth, or I can't. And then, of course, you could make it thicker. And then you could make it green. It is a line, so you have to right-click the line. And actually, you could take the control button and add a little darkness to it and make the vine darker. Anyway, so think about, I started off using the Docker, and now I'm questioning whether I should use the blend underneath the toolbox. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.